Kape muna. Whew. Pampagising ng utak. Welcome back to my channel, mga kapasib. Kung bago ka lang sa channel na to, if you happen to watch this video, ako nga pala si Jeff, and I talk about our journey into achieving our financial independence and financial freedom, and we're hoping to retire early. Ano ba? So, paano ko ba ginagawa yon? Ano ba yung specific na ginagawa ko into achieving this goal? So una, meron kaming rental property. I consider that as a passive income investment. It's generating as a passive income. I'll say it's semi-passive kasi you still have to put some effort into it, and it takes up quite a bit of capital para masimulan mo. Yun yung isa sa ano namin, and it just so happen yung property na yun is yun yung primary home namin dito sa Canada bago kami bumili ng isa pang property. And yun, so instead na ibenta namin, pinarentahan namin siya. So isa yon sa mga sources of our passive income. But right now ang nagko-concentrate kami sa sa aming passive income portfolio na nasa aming tax-free savings account. Okay. So ano ba yung gamit ko na na platform or brokerage sa pag-i-invest? Ang gamit ko is yung Wealthsimple. If you're in Canada, most likely familiar ka na dun sa investing app na yon. And yeah, marami ng investing app na pwede kayong i-open dito sa Canada. Pero ako, ang gamit ko is Wealthsimple ever since. Pero yun nga, dati sa bangko lang ako nag-i-invest sa CIBC, sa mutual fund. So right now I'm doing a DIY kind of approach into investing, and yung tawag dun sa strategy nga namin is passive income investment or investing strategy. Okay, so ano ba talaga specifically yung mga paano ako kumikita passively? Well, dun sa aming tax-free savings account, meron kaming mga high yield ETFs na assets or holdings or stocks. And itong mga ETF na to, they pay us dividends or distribution every week and every month. So yun basically yun lang yung strategy namin, yun yung ginagawa namin. We invest our money into this portfolio, DIY approach, and then the dividends na natatanggap namin every week and every month, since hindi namin siya kailangan, nire-reinvest lang namin siya back into the portfolio para mas bumilis yung paglago nung account or nung portfolio, para bumilis yung rate nung snowball effect. So yun yung ginagawa namin. And for do sa mga nakasubscribe na sa akin, thank you sa inyo. If you are the same as me na nag-aspire na hopefully makapag-retire ng maaga or magkaroon lang ng source of passive income, and you're in the right channel. And disclaimer lang, I am not a professional. By no means, hindi ako professional. I'm just still new to this strategy, and I'm still learning every day, like I always say. And I still do my research, listen to people, watch videos, read articles. That's what I'm doing. para matuto. And yeah, and along the way, since we started this kind of approach, marami na tayong somehow mga lessons na natutunan, and yun yung gusto ko sanang i-share sa mga viewers ko. And yeah, especially if you're an OFW na either nakatira ka dito sa Canada or sa States or sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo, this might work for you, or this might you can try this strategy if you find it something that you find it interesting and you want to give this a try. Okay, so for this week, first week of January, guys, we were so happy, and maganda yung pasok ng ng taon sa atin. Of course, we learned a lot from 2024, and yeah, we will just keep on building on this strategy. And I want to share to you guys kung magkano yung na-receive natin for the first week of January. So for the first week of January, we received a total of $337.84 USD to, guys. So more or less mga around almost 500 Canadian dollars this week only, yung first week of January. So ang breakdown niya, ang na-receive natin sa QDTE is $29.67, followed by QQQY or triple QY, $43.13. Binabasa ko kasi hindi natin sa ulado eh. And then followed by YMAG, we received $56.72 from YMAG. And then YMAX, we receive $82.33. And the last one is NVDY, which is $125.99. So yun, guys, yung na-receive natin na dividends or distribution for the first week of January. Maganda yung pasok nga, sabi ko maganda yung pasok kasi meron akong swing trade na na-hit natin na maganda, at medyo sinuwerte tayo, guys, swing trade na to. Ang ticker symbol niya is NITO, and naka-receive tayo ng 868.66% of return, or equivalent of $3,073.39 Canadian to, guys. So ang laki nung rate of return, guys, nung ating swing trade. Yung $300 natin napalago, more than, I think it was 378. I'll just post the screenshot of that trade, and just to show you guys na kung magkano yung cost basis natin, and then magkano yung total return. So yung total return talaga natin do sa swing trade natin is $3,073.39. So wow, first swing trade for the year of 2025, guys, and we were able to earn $3,000. So masayang masaya tayo, guys, and we will keep on building up on this strategy, and here and there siguro mag-swing trade ako, kasi wala pagka yung yung sa ibang account namin, pero I am more concentrated nga dun sa aming passive income investment portfolio. So yun, like I said, ang nag-i-invest kami sa mga high yield ETFs na mostly from US market. Meron ding mga available sa Canadian na stock exchange or sa TSX, but right now I prefer investing in US stocks or ETFs. It's just my personal preference kasi yung mga product na or mga product or ETFs na meron sa States ngayon is mas ano ako siya for my it works for my strategy, and I'm comfortable with the risk. I'm comfortable with how it works, like how the fund works. And yun, I do my research, I read, and I read a lot, and yun nga, we also listen to people who are also doing this strategy, who are way ahead of us, na mas may experience. And yun, yun lang, yun yung ginagawa natin. Like I said, nag-open kami ng tax-free savings account before this strategy. If you're new to my channel, I do some day trading, I do some swing trades, and also I doubled with options trading. We do made some money dun sa mga strategy na yun, but we also have losses. And for me, for my personal situation, mas tsaka sa personal na namin goal, parang mas applicable na sa amin na mag-concentrate na lang dito sa passive income investing instead na active trading. Kasi nga pag busy ka sa work, hindi ka naman pwede mag-day trade, lalo pag magmaaga ka eh. Yun na nga. And I can kumbaga kita ko na yung resulta nung strategy, and I'm confident na pwede by doing this strategy, we have like a bigger chance of achieving our goal, which is financial independence and financial freedom. Ultimate goal is ma-match or ma-exceed ng ma-match namin yung aming monthly expenses plus buffer. So yun yung goal. We have a number like we have a target amount of how much per month we wanna achieve na passive income. But it can fluctuate kasi nga, who knows, baka may mga mangyari sa buhay natin in the future that can maapektuhan yung ating strategy. So but for now, napaka para sa akin, it gives me the peace of mind that anything happens to me, anything happens to us, if we were able to build this portfolio the earliest possible, to the point or to the amount that we're targeting, then we can say na confidently na hindi kami masyado maaapektuhan, and we will be able to just live the way it is, kung ano man yung lifestyle namin yun. And we have a very simple lifestyle, guys. So hindi mahirap sa amin kumbaga pagka may mga emergency situations na wag naman sana hindi kami masyado mahihirapan. So yun lang. I just want to give you an update on how the portfolio is doing right now, and so far so good. Although today, January 7, kahapon pa yata yun, bumaba ang market eh. So, and I see that as an opportunity, guys. Pagka bumababa yung market, bumabagsak, I see that as an opportunity, because no matter what, I'm still getting my dividends per week. So yun yung kagandahan ng strategy nito, na to, and I just keep on reinvesting and investing, and ayun, para lumago siya ng mabilis, and ma-achieve namin yung aming goal na the soonest possible. Yun lang. If you are interested or if you have any questions, comments, just comment down below, and let me know if you guys have any anything to share with regards to your experience if you're also in the journey of achieving financial independence, financial freedom. We would also share our my personal thoughts on paano for our personal situation, paano ba namin let's say budgeting, yung pagbabudget, magkano, ano ba yung mga kumbaga yung may personal philosophy when it comes to finance. And I want to share that with you guys, and hopefully if you have any idea, may share nyo rin. And I will post a link on my on the description dun sa aking Wealthsimple referral code. And if you guys are interested, if you're here in Canada, if you're eligible to start an investment or open a brokerage, open your top tax-free savings account or non-registered account, just click on the link on my referral, and then you'll get a $25 both of us will get $25 worth of money. And so pang start mo na yun, then you'll help me out as well. And maraming salamat if you stay this long on this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.